Hey, I'm Dr. Sharice, and in today's video, I'll be showing you my self-care routine for the whole day. If you enjoy self-love videos, keep watching, and also give this video a like and subscribe for more videos about joy and peace. A self-care day for me starts with no alarm and some spiritual reading. So I am starting my day with A Course in Miracles. It's my new goal for 2024 to actually get through all the workbook exercises. I love looking outside because nature is one of my favorite things. I hate winter, but I am learning to embrace that this is just a fact of life. I'm breaking my fast with a turmeric shot, which is an antioxidant that supports wellness. And I'm following that up with green juice that has cucumber, celery, grapefruit, green chard, and lettuce. Superfoods that keep the body healthy. Of course, I always have water. I usually start the day with 3 cups of water when I'm not having a bunch of other liquids. Now it's time for tea. Herbs and Kettles is an Atlanta-based company, and they're my favorite sourced tea at the moment. I saw this ad on Instagram of the tea set, and I had to have it immediately. Pouring the tea out into these little cups is like so fun. It gives me so much joy. I love it so much. I'm getting ready to do some reading and writing, and here's one of my favorite quotes. Patience, child, patience. Remember, life is a journey. If you got everything you wanted all at once, there'd be no point to living. Enjoy the ride, and in the end, you'll see these setbacks as giant leaps forward. Only you couldn't see the bigger picture in the moment. Remain calm, all is within reach. All you have to do is show up every day, stay true to your path, and you will surely find the treasure you seek. After I review my 2023 year compass, I write a bit more in my 2024 year compass, and then I have this new astrological planner that I wrote a few things in before I get started journaling. Just my thoughts, whatever is on my mind in that moment, just getting them out onto paper. And then spending some time downloading whatever message God has for me today. When it comes to astrology, I like Nadine Jane, the Astro Twins, and the Pattern app for reviewing what's happening in my life, the major themes of the moment in the world. Before my workout, I spend some time with the birds, giving them, those sunflower seeds, which is their favorite, and just seeing how close I can get, how long I can stay by the window without them running away. I just enjoy them so much. Another one of the things I want to be more consistent with in 2024 is my exercise routine. I used to be a beast. I am currently the heaviest I have ever been in my life, and I can feel it. And I would like to feel strong and fit and have the endurance that I once had. So even though it's winter and I really like running outside, I'm not going outside because it's so cold. I want to make sure that I can push myself inside, which is why I bought a mini stepper to really challenge myself to build up those muscles and, use my lung capacity, because moving my body makes me feel so good. Like, I feel like one of the best versions of myself when I'm actually moving my body and getting strong. It just feels right. I create my own workout routines and plans. It's something that I've been doing for years now because I used to be so heavily focused on getting abs, building muscle, building my booty, that now it is second nature to me to know which exercises to do, to practice really good form. The consistency is the one challenge that I swear I'm gonna break through in 2024. I'm lactose intolerant, and so I use True Supplements plant protein. This is Massey Arias's brand, who I follow because we have similar body types. I love her. I'm not one of the shower girly experts, so you're not gonna see me in the shower. But I just wanted to show you some of the products that I use. I showed you all the Crown body oil in my LA vlog. It smells so, so good. Even my sister likes it. Vaseline because I'm black, and then what I consider to be a simple skincare routine, right? A little spritz, some eye patches. These are my favorite by Skin. I've tried a bunch of different eye patches, but this is the only one that makes me feel like it actually plumps my skin. It works so well. And I'm between two different deodorants at this time. I really like Cosa Sports, but it just depends on whether I feel like smelling the kind of chemically smell or not. I'm one of those people with really dry skin, so I moisturize a lot, and I have like, is it like a 6 step skin routine? I don't always like deep moisturize, right? This is like a self-care day thing, but the serums, the hyaluronic acid, those are really lifesavers for my skin, especially in winter. I have to use an oil on my skin during winter because otherwise I would just be flaking all day. Like literally would just be flaking all day. It's a salad for lunch kind of day. And I usually also have tomatoes and corn in this salad, but I was out of tomatoes and the corn that I had in my fridge went bad, so I was really sad. But I think my salad turned out good. It was still good because the major flavors, like there's a barbecue that I put on it, and then these fried green onions that just make it so much texture that it's like a really tasty, fun, delicious salad to eat. I usually start eating real food anywhere between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Like after 2, I actually feel hungry. So this is right on time for when I would be eating. And another self care thing is talking to people that you love, people that make you smile, people that make you feel good about yourself. A good time, a good conversation. Followed by The Office, which is one of my greatest loves, like ever. Oh, I forgot to put on perfume. This is Moon Glory. It smells heavenly. If you smell it, it is what I think heaven smells like. This scene of The Office is one of my favorite episodes from the entire series. It is just so funny. And I'm having mango sorbet, another favorite of the moment. Typically, a self care day does not involve leaving the house, but it just so happens that a package that I ordered came in today. So I just walked to the mailroom. It's wonderful to be able to get some fresh air, but in an ideal world, all of this would just come to my door. These are boots that I've had for maybe 2 or 3 years now. Standard set. I probably got them from DSW. The ones that I bought, because There is always room to upgrade your life are from Sam Edelman. I think I got them from Nordstrom because they were sold out on the Sam Edelman website. But I think these are very classy. I'm a very classy lady, I'm telling you. And what would a self care day be like if I didn't order food to be delivered? I mean, treat yourself. So I got lasagna and lobster fondue from Maggiano's Little Italy. I think they have a really good lasagna. I think their pasta could be thicker. If you're new here to my channel, let me tell you, I'm obsessed with food. Like in all the ways, I'm obsessed with food. I absolutely love food. So the lasagna was good. I've had it multiple times. The lobster fondue was good too. I actually had red lobster recently and I was not satisfied, but the lobster fondue was really good. It's the end of my self-care day. I'm spending more time giggling on the couch, watching bloopers from The Office, and then relax, and I'll be in bed by 10, maybe receiving a little bit more love as I fall asleep. Thanks for watching.